What's up guys, it's me Umair. So here are the loudspeaker test. Literally yes, the loudspeaker test. Let me play some music. Music. Okay, all songs, album, artist. Okay, let me play some music. Let me put the phone like this. Okay, isn't that good? And then let me bring my digital sound tester meter. Okay, here we go. And then yeah, are we ready? Let me turn it on and let me play a song like something like this. Full volume. You're getting around 92 decibel, which is amazing. Which is literally amazing, to be honest with you. The loudspeaker are really very loud. I mean the loudspeaker are really very loud. It was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and bye.